Hello and welcome to Shopaccino tutorial video. In today's video, we will learn how to customize your website homepage. From the menu, click on Themes, click on Customize. As we can see, there are already few elements added. Let's learn to add a new element. Click on Add Element. Let's select the slideshow and click on Save. As you can see, there's an already image slide present and an option to add new slide. Click on image slide. Select whether you want an image or a video in the slider. Enter the heading text. Enter the subheading text. Link the slider with a page or a collection or a product. Add a button to the slider. Choose the caption position. Choose the text color. Upload an image to the slider in desktop and mobile view in the respective sections. Set the publish and expiry date and time. This allows slider to publish and expire automatically on the mentioned date and time and click on save. Let's add another slide. Click on add slide and enter the content to the slide and click on save. Usually, we add slideshow to display promotional content, special announcement, or to highlight latest collections and products. Edit the slideshow content as per your requirement. Now go back to the customization page and you can see the slideshow is added to the bottom. Let's move the slideshow to the top. In case you want any element to be hidden, you can simply click on the I button and the visibility will be turned off for that element. Now let's see how the slideshow looks on the website. So similarly, we can add and edit other elements and customize the look of your website homepage.